Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, today we are going to do the revision of lesson number 2, acids, bases and salt. Okay, so first of all we talk about the indicators. Dear student, what are indicators? Indicators are the agent or the materials which are helping us to determine the nature of the substance, whether the substance is acidic, basic or neutral. Okay, so the indicators are the agent materials which are helping us to know the nature of the substance. So when we talk about the indicators, we have two type of indicators. We are having natural indicators and we are having synthetic indicators. Natural are the one which are obtained from the natural sources, and synthetic are the one which is synthesized, manufactured. Okay, let us begin with the natural indicator. Dear student, natural indicators are again of two types: color changing indicators and order changing indicators. There are certain which are changing the color and showing you the result, and there are certain which changes the order. Order means smell. Okay, color changing, we have the litmus paper. So dear student, litmus is obtained from the lichens, that is plant, and we have two type of the litmus paper. We are having two color papers, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. So blue litmus paper, when turns to red, your material is acidic, and when your red litmus paper turns to blue, it is basic. Similarly, we have China rose indicator and we have turmeric as an indicator. So China rose indicator is giving you the pink color in the acidic medium and it gives you the green color in the basic medium. Similarly, turmeric powder is only able to determine the basic nature. It is not able to identify the acidic nature. So it is having certain limitations. Okay, so you have to remember with the limitation, it is only able to find out the basic material. And on basic material, your yellow color turmeric powder is converted to brown coloration, and it shows the basic nature of the substance. Okay, next if we talk about, we are going to have the order changing indicators. Dear students, let me tell you, the order changing indicators, when we talk about the particular substance which we are going to take, they change their own smell. They are not going to change the smell of your acid, base or neutral. Common sense to be used. If we have the smell of acids, bases or neutral, there will be no need to identify it. From the smell only we can come to know. But here we are having order changing indicators. Those are known as olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators are the indicators which change their smell when they come in contact with acids, bases. Okay, which are the examples? We are having onion, we have clove, we have vanilla essence. So these are the materials which are having typical smell. Onion is having typical smell, clove is having clove, that is generally found in the kitchen, and vanilla essence, everyone is familiar with this one. So when we are having our acids and bases in contact with these materials, their material changes their smell. Means onion, the typical smell changes when it comes in the contact with the acids or the bases. So we have already discussed about this in the chapter also, just we are doing with the revision. So you have to remember this important definition of the olfactory indicator, and you have to remember the example. Many a times it is asked in the board examination. Fine. Now when we are going to talk about now the synthetic indicators. So dear student, common sense to be used. Synthetic indicators are the one which are manufactured, which are synthesized. Okay, so when we talk about synthetic indicators, number one, we have phenolphthalein. Now again, phenolphthalein is having certain limitation. What is the limitation? Phenolphthalein is colorless and acid is also colorless. So when you have the few drops of your phenolphthalein in acid, it is remaining colorless only. It means it is not able to identify the acids. Yes, phenolphthalein, few drops, when you drop in the basic material, the material is going to have the pink color. This shows that your material is basic in nature. So phenolphthalein is used for the identification of the base. Acids will be remaining colorless. And dear student, when you are going to learn the volumetric titration in class 11, you will be using phenolphthalein as an indicator, where it will show the colorless to pink color as your endpoint. Next, we are having methyl orange. Now methyl orange is going to give you the color change in both acids also and in bases also. Acids, it gives a red coloration, wherein in base it gives yellow coloration. Methyl orange itself is a orange in color, but when we drop it in acid, it gives wine red color, and when it drops into the base, it gives yellow coloration. So this is about the use of the phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Last one is most important, that is your pH. Power of hydrogen, potence of hydrogen, we already talked about. Dear student, we are having paper also and we are having solution also. It is also called universal indicator. Fine. Okay. When we are having the acidic material or as a basic material, we are going to use the paper and we can come to know. Dear student, if you are having the colors which are coming in the red, orange, yellow, this kind of the coloration, your material is acidic in nature. When you have the light blue, blue, dark blue, navy blue, this kind of the colors are showing the basic nature. Okay, when you have the yellowish green color, that is at the 7 pH 7 neutral. Okay, less than 7 material is acidic, more than 7 material is basic. Smaller the number in the acidic side, stronger is the acid. Greater the number on the basic side, stronger the base. That is what you have to remember. Further from the properties we will be doing in our next video. So in this we have just completed the indicators in detail.